JP Morgan bought a forest in 2021 for $500 million, and they didn't buy it to cut down the trees. In this video, I'm going to tell you how the 120 million trees sitting on their 250,000 acres is going to generate wealth for JP Morgan via a commodity known as carbon offsets. I will explain what carbon offsets are, how they work, and how anyone could theoretically make an investment now for the future of the environmental economy with this initiative. Pay attention. Over the last few decades, the conversation about global warming has been a controversial one, with partisan ideals placing people as either believers or detractors of the reality of global warming. There is, however, an initiative designed to allow companies and manufacturers to keep operating while controlling and reducing the amount of carbon in the atmosphere. And this is via carbon offsets. A carbon offset is a certificate you buy to allow you to put a certain amount of carbon into the atmosphere. I could buy a carbon offset certificate for 10 units of carbon, and I can then pollute the environment with up to 10 units of carbon. The reason why JP Morgan is investing in a forest is because trees naturally absorb carbon, and the amount they absorb is represented in carbon offset certificates that can then be sold to companies polluting the environment with carbon. This then creates a balance where, in theory, the net carbon entering the environment is zero. The real question with this initiative is how much value is placed on going green in industries notorious for polluting the environment. But if you've got some millions lying around, investing in a forest isn't a bad idea, and you could be making serious money for the rest of your life if this becomes a viable concept. If you would like to support my work, you can become an official supporter from the link on my profile, where you can also follow my free podcast and newsletter, and grab a copy of The Crusaders, a graphic novel in English or French, a series about a team of Nigerian siblings who go around the world reclaiming stolen African history, one adventure at a time.